Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical fitting. Wumugusi.
Semeria kwane buna omwanchi mulire kwabere kugutwara obuligiriria obya imigitaseni na mbeyemo igitaseni kia Ndizi TV una yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabono maragoba nigona yariganiri kigima asogokoretera amangana maya asenchera iyobokira nubuna abasaki baito batarire chingongo chonsi na kunyabana gusaka amangana yo na gutekiriga asigitaseni kiga kia Ndizi TV chinga kitoroche okuyarigani kogendrete ase igeti ya Kasarani asoko ene kibuna omurai ogatano omochore winse Dr. William Ruto naboigo omokonyo yerigathi Gachagua ngo kibali gutianigwa ase guchaka emirimo yabo bene asense ito ya Kenya boigo ntoroche abagavana kurochi county nigo bachakire emirimo yabo ase bakogikeria engana yobokurumi nigo mancho muliyere agenda gutubwatia asense mo ya Facebook nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital naboigo asense mo ya YouTube nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asense moye website nabagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke eriataria ne Frida Kerubo na sitsinse moche byorokerelyo nigotokubwatira nere Joshua Autangwira nanda segekegeke ngumanye amange asenchera yobwikirano Ingo chaka kegima omwanchi omurigereria nigongo chakera county ya Kisii abo asengo komanyibuna Amate Eyemo nigo eganitie obwene magega y'umwana obo gosiria obugima bwaye ase alegosoma eskuru Eyemo ime county ya Kisii umwana yo nigaringe ekerasi ya 10 oyo sireti obugima bwaye ase eskuru eyo nabo igo nigo ngina omwana aikerenta stinsemecho magega yo gwakerwa esimi na gotebigwa egekorekyo Omurikito Brighton Makoli na talete nseme yo nagotwaliganiria orobotiro asenchera yobwikirano
Amate Eyemo abairi nabasani nigo bagendete kumata na gotwara amayanda manene magega y'umwana uri gosoma skuru Eyemo ase county ya Kisii gosiri obugima bwaye asenjera etamanyikaneti Baukwana ngina omwana oyo niga kwerera ngakyanyardeka wakerwesimi korwa se skuru eyo ekera igetorro akanyora lingana litamo gogetie
Nyamira ni mtoto wangu anasoma Nyabururu nilipata simu jana saa 11 asubuhi na deputy akinipigia akiniambia wewe ni mama iPhone nikamwambia ndio eti watoto wanafunzi wote wametoka madomu wameenda madarasani iPhone amebaki kwa domu kama amelala ongei amechususulia akaniambia tumepeleka Ivondebo 5 kimbia umuone alipigia simu sijui mara ngapi aliniharakisha sana nilipofika kwa shule nikapata shemeji yangu amefika akaniambia Jackie pole Ivoni yuko Ivoni amekufa
Kulende nigo bono banyarire bakuburia serikali gokora obutuki erikoirera ningigererete umwana oyo gosiria obugima bwaye asenjera oikabono etaramanyikana.
We demanded for an explanation which we have not been given. We went and reported the matter police and the police informed us to go there today because the DCI was not available. The school administration has not offered any explanation to the cause of the death of this girl. We want to know the cause of the death of this child. Otherwise, we appeal to the government to have this investigation done conclusively and to our satisfaction.
Korengana na mamu mwabo nyagosira ni gatebiruna mwana oye tanya koigwe gose orwarire gose tanya gotebi kurwa se skuru buno mwana oye oigure bobe gotatiga litukira nyarteka gwakerwa esimi.
Fanyia nini? Mmanifanyia nini? Mtoto wangu akwa mgonjwa tafadhali mnisaidia serikali. Mnisaidia serikali. Tafadhali wasione sisi ni maskini watu nyanyase.
And this girl has not been having any underlying case that could have caused a sudden death. We suspect there must have been a reason why he died.
Thomas Magale nango uyu mwana uyu siri ubugima bwaye ekeranyarika otyabuna nigo banyarire bagotebiwa chinguma ose nigo banyarire bakonyora mang'ana atarabachumotwe koleng'ana nogosira kwa mwana oye.
It was a mysterious death because so far it is almost 48 hours since then. But there is no any information which has been given out concerning the dead. Now we are appealing to the public and the government as a whole. We know that there's the rule of law. We know that we have better mechanisms which can handle the issue.
Bono nigia mateyo ya tebruna tirichikogenderera nimiroberio yokomoenia omwana oyo nyagosira goike serikali ya korobotuki na baroba manyire ninkikirete omwana oyi gosiri obugima bwaye.
It is my sincere surprise that since the child passed on, if possible, we could have proceeded with the burial proceedings, but we have no way we can proceed without any explanation from the government and the relevant bodies.
Samsoni nyambane oyikonye okurua ebese yogosomi omwana oyo nigo bono aboririe skuru ya omwana oyo konya gosoma wesokya na kwerera ningi kirirete wiko omwana oyo agasiri obogima bwaye.
There must have been a reason why he died, which must be over by the school administration.
Omwarimu manene bwe skuru eyo kolende niganyarika okana chingume icho buno omwana oyo nigasirete eskuru. Kuripoti kitaseni Ndizi TV eredariane Brighton Makori.
Togotigara ime county ya Kisii egati ya barundi ya boda boda ime county yo ono nigo beso kiribene na kumugania omurai omochore ogatano w'insitu ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto oikerani omorobelio ye o bottom up economic model oyora chikokonya na boigo gosira abantu bali bakwenyorera ase ekerengo geinse na boigo kwegendereria ase amagimabo omorikito Ndemo Steven natalera ase ensemeyo na gotwaliganiria oroboti irokubwatia
magega yobochore bonene koera umunyakirogo o IBC wa Fula Chebukati komoraria William Samoei Ruto buno murayo mochore ekegambiro kwana kyo buibwa Ruto aba Kenya korwa chinsemo aonigo bago kiro buibwaye no botwere rubwaine kigu
no moko manene konyoro mo president oito twarwanerera tokamwakera chikura so bonge and egando turanje gota bangeringa bali side eliende wono twakorire siasa tiabache totogotere pani eyemo tokoremeremo wono siasa yaelire egente kenene tokoregasi no murayo itomuna twamochora
nigone indo no mogoko sana otomurayo itokoro kugwire Ruto avuete akamako tangasiko be president yetu ya Kenya
gati yemerobereria omo bwa Kenya kwanza bwakire koko na muno mubiri bwo kwegerera bali barinse o bottom up oyo abamenyi bagusi baganyererete
yonda mutenga bono intu naba Kenya amangana tribalism tobeke kwanza kana number 2 omurobererio ya tebe to bottom up anyokore mpaka gari ase mupinzani oyo omonena alingi iko bona make sure in every county bottom up ya kole number 3 afanyi kazi ya baba kaba ke ato consider ntora konga tora base kurubango iko ara tulire ara to time na inde ara to imuki go na bottom up ya goteba tumayo kora gento kiege tumayo jakulira mangana yebang
manifest nera to tebetli buna ento poda mama mboga bona mono muna enchesi poda umurayo mintonge egentongo saba litangana ko chiko gokora number 1 ake ya mafuta
umurayo ito mugambi mheshimiwa Samoei Ruto bono ntaito tuligere kabisa nanto bichana bya boda otoinue kabisa oyinwe abangi na bari biashara oyinwe kiro mondo kirense ya Kenya birire byonsi bibiro marencharanero marangi kero umugambi otoligere bya kabisa naende bottom up yegwateba echake mapema byegera ria bantu ranyara kuinwa maisha itobia
William Ruto negasabiru kwene kibuna ngoba bwatania raba Kenya bonsi na gusira magendero chinse mo chionsi eliogo kiniense
ebinto biria beka nga aito yererie binto we are expecting that naende tubwate amatumaini amange wetera somora yoyo
atunganise 20 mpaka no saba bata mwakerete atunganise tobe gente kamo atokoregal igobona nande ningegene tumurayo itoli no yugo kwana na gokora
nonye emiroberio komotiania William Ruto no mokonye nyeri Rigathi Gachagua kegendreta asegeti kia Moi Kasarani nigeganyereire meroberi kia serikali ya Ruto eraigerere asama tukamatanganie Amayia Ensa imeobisi.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV, Elietaliane, Ndemo Steven.
Magega y'obochori bw'omwaka oyiga gokorekana na boigo abagavana gochora kurachi county emerongo enena isano na boigo gutianigwa eme county ya Nyamira nerto tigiri magega ase omugavana bwe county yo Amos Nyaribo anyateko bakagochora buna omugavana oyo gochigokora obokoreri ase emiaka 5 erebosio korende ase e county yo nigo omwaki ekura oyomo ase rieta Dennis Omwenga asokiri bene na boigo kubeka ekina bosibwe kigambero eliogo tugutera ale obochori bw'omugavana bwe county yo Amos Nyaribo korengana nere nigatebire bene buna nigo obochori obo bwakorekanete ase nchira etali endonge ase aganirie ekigambero gwesona nigati nabo igokugayana enganeyo omurikito Job Maangi norobotiuru
ase obochori obonene bw'omwaka oyo nigo abamenyi be county Nyamira besogetie ase obonge na wakatikura ase Amos Nyaribo abetega koraligwa na gotianigwa buna omugavana onyamira
without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Korende lituko lya lero omwaki chikura oyomo ime county Nyamira Dennis Omwenga nabeka ekina koti gusaba obobwibo mugavana Nyaribo gotuguterwa are.
Watu wa Nyamira wanasema kuwa hawakupigia Nyaribo kura. The people were intimidated. Votes which were casted were not the one which were announced. So that's why we are here to question the choosing of Nyaribo as the governor of Nyamira.
Narwa ogo sababu na machibu yechukura kolingoligwa ase asaba obochori obo yagwakwa.
The form 37As which our agents got, the votes which were there does not tally with the form 37C which the returning officer used to announce the results. There are several discrepancies there.
Aba wakiri baikirana asense meyo mbasaba ekoti koligerelia amanganaya na kunacha ekina ase oboene
and be able to establish the allegations that we have established in the petition, and two, we have asked the court to nullify the declaration of Governor Nyaribo as the governor for Nyamira County, and lastly, we have asked the court to declare that there be results in Nyamira County in the next 60 days after they have declared the result as null and void. So those are among the prayers that we have asked in the petition, and we believe that our client has met all the requirements that could amount to a nullification of the election exercise. Yes.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Oko aligani kogo chikotiania omorai ogatano winseito ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto na boigo omokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua nigo emerobelie yo egendete gokorekana imeyegetigie chigosolikia Moi International Sports ase ensemeli ya Kasarani omorobelie yubo kwereliwa obogambi nigo rachigokorekana litukolia Jumanne ase omorai winse ogosoka Uhuru Kenyatta awchikomoereli obogambi Dr. William Ruto eligochaka emirimo yaye vene. Mugavana bwe county ya Machakos Alfred Mutua nigaikira na chinsemecho ase aligereri bene naki emeremeyo egendete kwaliganigwa. Oigo nigo aerera ogochaka bene kwa emeremo ya Kenya kwanza ase atebabuna nigo bero berete bene linde gochigwikirani alibanyate kwa bakolichira gochia ase aba Kenya.
Today we've done a preliminary visit of the stadium where the inauguration function will be held for the 5th President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, His Excellency. We are here with teams from the National Government Office of the President, from the judiciary, from the military and others. And our main concern and our main issue was to make sure that the standards that are being set up here today are of international quality. We want this event to be flawless. We want this event to send the right message to Kenyans that we are ready to work. And so far, we've walked around with the senior officials here, and we are very happy with what we've seen. We are a team from the former Deputy President's office, and I've been working with him, and so far so good. We have made a few changes to ensure that there's proper flow of traffic and proper flow of the VIPs that will be coming here. So, and we've urged them to continue and finish the work as quickly as possible. We've made a few changes here and there to make it easier for Wananchi. What we want to tell Kenyans is that the transition is real and it is happening. And Kenyans should brace for themselves for a government that will deliver to the people. And that's what we want to do. Have this inauguration, have a good time, but then we get back to work. We don't want to waste a lot of time. We have impressed upon the management of the stadium that everybody coming here is a VIP. Every person who will come to this stadium is a VIP. So the toilets that they use, the seats they sit on, the places they go will need to be VIP standards. We don't want what we call madogodanyo. We don't want things that look like the stadium has never spent a lot of money to be.
Rogers Muturi oyole koligia ekirogo kyobo jumbe imeye bunge ya West Mugirango wana nigo aikire bosibwe kigambero kia Nyamira Roll Court ase okomwamerelia Steve Mogaka ase obubui bwaye kolengana nere nigatebiri buna obocholi bwomwako yegambwa kolekanite ase enchira yobwasyokum ase aganiri ekigambero gweso agati nabo igo obwaki chikurago kolekana boya gose okobaragwe chikurago chikoyirolerwa nigo atebiri buna ekigambiro nigo kebwenete kogayana enganeyo asatebire nabwate oboroli boisaine koeneki enganeyo ya Steve Mogaka tanyorerete bubui ase enchira endonge
mono asamaliete nguru ku Rogers Muturi ongera na inje nona lenge oyo mubwe candidate bwoko boli chikura cha West Mugirango yobo chumbe ase chama ya ODM litangani kabisa ntaite kuira libageli ngakira abantu baito ba West Mugirango bonsi nambiye mono abakena manene aso wesoke na mbengiya yo wakachikura nainde bono chikura cyerire tiatosaba abantu baito omolembe ogendere unoyo ogendere teiga lakini rende ekere twachire kurigereria na matokeo ayatangase twaligereirie form 35A form 35P na form eli atumie to gutangasa mapatano iya galire twabekire petition yeito ase AI court yeito ya Nyamira elinde na barobaligereria mangana ayo na lituranyale kumanya unaeke maene ngobwete chikuleji cha West Mugirango ase igaiga seito igo twabekire kinaime negento tutagete no maene bomanyekane na ningobwete
abasaye korwa ase county ya Bungoma nigo beso kiribene na komochora omoraiwe kia magia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula ochikoba omonogeli bwe Senate nigo batebiruna kolengana borobu nigo baroche oboroli obonene ase Moses Wetangula arachigwikirani amange gwetera obomo bwa Kenya kwanza elinde aikirani alibanyateko abakolikira gochi ase abakenya bono nigo batebiruna Moses Wetangula nere olachikoba omonogeli bwe Senate ase NCHO ya Kenya.
Ford Kenya, Simba, 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 usawa, haki na ukweli. My party, my choice. Ford Kenya, Simba, 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 usawa, haki na ukweli. My party, my choice.
Nikiwa mwenyekiti wa Bungoma County wa bodaboda, na kama sisi hapa Bungoma nataka kushukuru Mheshimiwa Seneta mwenye tulipigia kura
Baba ya Roma.
Siku ya Alhamisi, mimi kama chama wa Bungoma najua wale wenye wamesimama na yeye kukombea kiti ya uspika hawana numbers. Najua Alhamisi kufikia kama saisi Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula atakuwa speaker wa National Assembly, na hapa Bungoma tutakuwa na by election ya usenator.
We live in Moses Masika Wetangula, and I know he is going to be our next National Assembly Speaker, and we are fully behind him. For the manifesto of Kenya Kwanza to go through, it needs a sober person with a sober mind like Moses Masika Wetangula.
Hapa wetu wa Roma anaenda kukua next National Assembly Speaker. Si ndio vijana? Yes. We are hoping that as the Papa wa Roma is going up there to be the National Speaker, we are hoping that Wafula Wakoli atachukua hii kiti ya useneta.
Ekiombe gia shofko nigo gieso kiribene na kubairaniri abakenya mbiamono ase okoeneki omorembe chingaki chionsi gukwana nabaliki bamangana ase ensemo ya Kibra ase baragwa no munyakirogo bwekyombekyo oyokorokwa Kennedy Ondende nigo bairaniri abakenya mbiamono ase baerera na kibachagete omoroberio yo chingaki chekambeni goika obochori bugakorekana nabo igo magegaye kina gotuguterwa ale bono nigo baganire abakenya koeneki Toereru chingaki chionsi.
Nimeshukuru sana kwa hii amani tumefanya hapa Kibera. Wakati election ilikuwa naendelea, tuliita watu wetu tena borders, tukakaa chini tukapropose tuendeze kitu inaitwa amani. Na nimeona amani imefanyika.
I am very happy today. These are the community leaders all over Kibra. And I remember before election, during COVID time, we were already planning, because for us, peace is about process, right? It's not something that happened one day. And it's about appreciating what you have in the community. Here, some of us are born here, you know, we don't want to destroy our properties. We just want to live with love. And of course, you have to go vote. That's your right, you know. And they promised me that there will be peace. Vijana wa Kibira pia wakaleta amani. And honestly, right now, my message is that as we're moving forward, we have to listen to the voices of the community.
Omo governor we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembeya nigatebire bunatago kirino bokoreri we county yo ase alire eira gochikorongiani nabo igokoreta amonjurire ase e county yo okwa na chingaki ali gotarira chinsemo nigateba na chikorigereria anene mono naki ebango egosangererwa nabo igogoikerani amange ase e county yo.
Mji wa Kenya ndiye atakuwa mbele, viongozi watakuwa nyuma. Si ndio? It applies across, especially elected leaders. Hii mambo ya uheshimiwa mingi inafanya watu wasavu wananchi. So nataka provide service kwa watu wetu kuanzia grassroots kwenda juu. Wakati mheshimiwa unainuka, lazima ujue kwamba unainuka na nani. Jambo la pili tukasema kwamba maofisa wetu wa enforcement wasipige watu. Haimaanishi kwamba lazima upigwe ndio utoe ushuru. Ama zinaenda pamoja. Sasa tunakuwa wangwana tu, unatakana kulipa ushuru. Na mimi naona ni kwamba lazima tutajenga jengo ile inaitwa county headquarters ambayo itakuwa na maofisa wote. Ukikuja pale kama unataka kutembelea departments kama 5, unazipata zote ziko pale. Kama vile kwa huduma center tu. Sasa tukuja uone mmoja pale akitoa mwingine unapata pikipiki uende kwa nyingine, upande pikipiki uende kwa nyingine, hapana.
Chingaki abagavana kurwachi county bagendete nimirimo yabo boigo ase e county ya Embu omugavana Cecily Mbarire nigo akuleire wizara yobochenu ase aenekiribuna naki abakori emirimo kurwase wizara yo babeire bakuiba amaligo kurwa ase chinyagitari na boigo konya guchia ase chikemesti ona nigo arure egekuro egetindi asate biribuna onde bwensiora chigotokikana nelimo chelio nanyareko bakagwimukirigwa egetambukiro egetindi anigo ayakuwa na chingaki aleterwa amaliogo yechishiringi chimilioni 19 ase enyagitari enene ya Embu level 5.
We must ensure that the medications we get, the non-pharmaceutical supplies we get, whether they are gloves or bandages or cotton or whatever consumable that we have, is used for the purpose it's supposed to be used and used within the facility of Embu level 5 and not outside. And therefore, I want to give notice to those members of staff who've been assisting and aiding in stealing medical supplies from level 5 hospital to chemists and pharmacies and other private hospitals in Embu County. Your days are numbered.
Aba MCA au bachorete gwetera ekiama gia kanu bono nigo besokiri bene nabo igo kumugania omunyakerogo bw'ikiama ekyo Gideon Moi kubwaterana no omo governor gose omo Raiwense omochore Dr. William Ruto elinda kwene kibunango genderera bale koleta amagenderero ase ensi ya Kenya nigo ayabaya kwana ya nabali kibamangana chinga kibamuganire Gideon Moi kubwaterana ase obwamo elinda kwene kibunango leta bale amagenderero ase chinsemo imensi ya Kenya ase bate babuna batugutere ale ebyama babwate korukale nabo igo kwene kibuna ngwegendereri bale orobotura sinchira iyo winge.
Sisi tulichaguliwa kwa chama cha KANU na kiongozi wetu wa chama cha KANU, chairman wetu ni Gideon Moi, na wakati huu hiyo ilikuwa ni juzi wakati wa uchaguzi. Mwenyewe Gideon Moi watu wa Baringo wakamweleza sisi tunakupumzisha, na akaweza kupumzisha kwa ile uchaguzi ya juzi. Kwa hivyo mimi niko tu na ujumbe moja kwa chairman wangu kwamba serikali, wewe unajua serikali ikishaenda mkondo huu hakuna kurudi pande hii. Wewe usikae msituni, ingia mahali serikali iko. Sisi tunataka tukuone ndani ya hii serikali, uungane na ndugu yako Ruto. Ruto hawezi kataa Gideon. Wamelelewa pamoja. Wamekuwa kwa chama cha KANU pamoja. Kwa hivyo hawezi kumkataa, wataweza kwenda pamoja na baadaye hii serikali ndani anajua baada ya mwaka 10 ambao sijazo labda hata Gideon mwenyewe ndio ataanza kuwa fronted na Ruto kwa urais. Kwa hivyo mimi sina shida. Nataka tu nimwambie kwamba hii serikali vile imeenda, sisi chairman wetu tumeenda hivyo, na hata wewe tuingie pamoja, tuende kwa pamoja kwa hii serikali ambayo imeweza kuchukuliwa na William Samoei Ruto.
Togosoa omwanchi umurigereria ase chinsemo chigosoli nigo chigosoli ase ekerengo gia nationals nigo chira chigokolekana litukolia angyo ase county ya Nakuru. Umurikito na twaliganiria oroboti rwabene ase chitimu chenyorerete obobui nabo igo kwenyora libagali ogosoa ase nationals korwa ase province ya Nyanza.
Korwa orogongo rwa Nyanza mage chigosoli cha regional sokorekane wiki ya eta nigaba buyase chigosoli au baratake chigosoli chabo chintangani mambia imea Nakuru. Ase handball Manyata Boys na Kakrau Girls na bubabwa ase timu yenko y'abasubati ya Kobala na Kisumu Day chira iruruki ebendera ya Nyanza. Korwa Gusii chitimu chia handball chia basubati chia Masosa Girls na Ndonyo nigo chia sokigu ase chi semifinals abu ase nkoyo gesaba kuyabu na Kisumu Day ase chi semifinals titeka chio komenta chigori sato ase ibere.
Twachagete mechese ya mapema kunya go train tukatema tukabua Nyamira County so paka bono na twachete recreation go present Nyamira County. Twakire mipire tato mupiro mutangani tukabu ne skuru ya Miranda ya nya Omapei County tukabu yo kabere twete skuru ko kugu orwa Kisumu County. Romambi twakire semifinali twabu ne skuru ya Kakilao ekorumigori.
Ase hockey ababui ba Nyanza saba muranki Kisumu Day na Nyamira Girls korwa county ya Siaya ase hockey abasubati. Aso mupira webikabu Onjiko Boys na Ototo Girls na buo babeta babui.
Okay, now I promise kama tumeenda Nakuru tuta work hard and we have God, we trust, I trust my team. Najua tukifika huko we will be the champion again and then tutapeleka our best huko and then tukirudi tutarudi na surprise again. Amen.
Korwa Gusii imea basketball St. Angela Sengera Girls nigo yasogete gwase chi semifinals abu asaba muri banyanchwa baba namba 3 imea Nyanza mege yoko bwa Maranda Boys.
tofauti ya Kisii County na Nyamira County chi principal chiabo garachi ko support ya bana ba uri scholarships yana ba ka agoro sarega na unjiko ebra South Sudan abatambe sana kono njiko ruhusia to kota kama wana waliweka rasmi baka waida kono you cannot compete at this level unless we start also supporting for scholarships, game scholarships. Na tuna compete na lakini wasaigo iga I was struggling because I didn't have it. Toko tule na ito manya tai tuma noko ligemo ntaba tamba valenta se team.
Next time when we are given a chance to come for the regionals again, we will make sure we go and train well in our defense so that next time when we come, we aim win nationals because our motto says we aim high.
Kartokori county chinde babwata a lot of scholarships. Kartokori konya kwa manage coach county chinde bawo chabaye wa abana bago some for free. Coaches bawo motivations bawo chiba sabanda bali players who really assist them. So scholarships to sort nyore ni Nyamira County equal to Kisii County ngete na bachiko tokonya sawa wanafunzi hao.
Sechi finali ya volleyball Nyanza, St. Joseph's Boys na Nyakongo Girls na bubabwa. Netball na rugby Inko Bala Girls, Nduru Boys amo na Yala Boys ubarabe imea nationals imea Nakuru chuchira ere Jumapili chitariki 11 omwetinyo kianda omwaka oyo. Kwa reporter ya Ndizi TV, Elietalia Nendemo Steven, Captain 001.
Mwancho murigereria kurwa sorobo turo Rwandemo Steven nongo kolera amangana maiya yebire biga kurende ngo basabato basaguska to basakonyegera chikoraga chinsa isato ayona mange no yanyore nere John Kebati asinchira yobwekirano enda gotobwatia asichinsemo chimitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or .ke maiga chikamera soko ene kibuna ebichana boiguli ugira gwikira suri asinchira ya benenere Omusai James tanya kwa tukubwatanere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibirokereryo na inche Eliane Frida Kerubo ngukoganilia obuligereria obya.